severe thunder. Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, Northern Union County in upstate South Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Forest City, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Spartanburg, Gaffney, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Lyman, Padulet, Cowpens, Wilford, Inman, Leo, and Roebuck. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous clouds of ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember,
okay, expect WXL70 and KHC27 to do a doubleheader because of the new SVR that has Smith working unit. Here we go, KJY85.
Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of uptown Charlotte.
Okay, WXL70 and KHC27 reports now. In 3, 2,
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles. Wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Charlotte, Matthews, Indian Trail, Whittington, Stallings, Lake Park, Thames Bridge, and the Plaza. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Damaging winds, hail, returning to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweeted using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg, and Union. Locations include Charlotte, Matthews, Indian Trail, Whittington, Stallings, Lake Park, Thames Bridge, and the Plaza. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report recorded winds, hail, or running to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-0101 by posting on our Facebook or tweet us using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg, and Union. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Rutherford, Eastern Polk, southwestern Lincoln.
That just about does it for these two SVRs, which as I go on and look on my computer, these were the two warnings that I just got. This one that has a very slim portion of Cleveland and Rutherford, North Carolina counties, and Cherokee, Spartanburg, and Union, South Carolina counties there. That's one SVR. And then this other one for Mecklenburg in Union, North Carolina. Not to be confused with that Union. Different Union counties here, different areas. But yeah, both these Hornets award WXL70 and KHC27 went off for. Whereas for KJY85, it was only this one here.